Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a makeup video. So today I have my This is Pantasy update for you for August. I will leave all the information you need about this project in the description box below the video, so please do check it out before you leave. So I have two empties today. One is not technically finished, but I'll explain. I'm going to be quick about it today because it's way too hot. Again, we're having another heat wave here in the UK, and as you know, as Brits, we don't get on with heat waves. I don't think anybody does. I think there's only just a few people who love the heat, and for them this is great, but for me, I hate the hot weather. I hate it. I feel lethargic. I feel just miserable, and I have headaches. The heat gives me headaches and stuff, so it really does make me feel really ill. That's why I prefer the cooler weather, because I just feel more alive. I want to move around to create, you know, warmth. But in the summer months, when we get this heat, this hot weather, I just want to sleep all the time, and that's not good for you. So that's why I hate the hot weather. Anyway, so I want to be quick about it today, she says, after having waffled on for quite a while. So the first empty, I kind of knew this was going to be an empty. I mentioned it in my last video, and that is the Body Shop Elderflower Unperfumed Cooling Eye Gel. I said in my last update for this project that this would be all gone, and it is empty. I'm already moved on to my backup of this because I love this product so much. This is, I think, my third tub of this, possibly my fourth. I lose count after a while, but definitely a repurchase for me. I will always have one of these in my stash because it's just the perfect eye gel for me. It's about £8 in the Body Shop here in the UK, which is, I blanched at the price when I first saw it, but since using it, I don't quibble the price anymore because it works. It makes my eyes prepped and primed for any eye makeup that I do. When I first purchased this, I was suffering from dry, flaky eyelids that were very, very sore, and my makeup cleansing routine back then was not great. But this little pot of magic stuff sorted out my flaky eyelids perfectly, and I have not looked back since. So I will always champion this product. It's not for everyone, I know that, but I love it. So that's that. The next product that I have emptied, technically, is my Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. As you can see, it is all empty. I even took out the stopper and it is all gone in there. Now you're gonna say, Nicola, how did you finish that so quickly? Well, technically I haven't. So I decanted it into this Body Shop samples pot. So I have about this much left, which is literally just like on the bottom of the pot. You can see like the bottom of the pan there, or the pot there. So I'd say there's maybe, I've been using this as a foundation. So I scraped it out of there and put it into there, and I've been using this as a foundation all over. Because what I found when I was using this as a concealer, using the doe foot applicator, I was having to constantly dip back in to get product on. So I scraped it all out, and yeah, been using it as a foundation. It's a little full coverage for me for foundation, obviously, because it's a concealer. But I have liked the look of it on my skin. I really did enjoy it. Not that I would use this as a foundation normally, but to try and finish up the concealer, that's how I've been using it. I'd say there's maybe one or two more applications. That's the word I was looking for. There's 1 or 2 more applications of this and then I'll be finished it. So I am calling this as an empty for this month because this will be gone before the next update. So I don't want to be dragging this product through to next month, just simply because like that's 2 more applications and I'll probably get that done within a week. So I'm going to call it as an empty this week. So yeah, that is my collection Lasting Perfection concealer finished as well. So moving on to the products that I do have left in the project. I only have 5 products left in this project, and looking back from the very beginning of this project, there was a lot of products in this project and I have done fantastically well. I'm very proud of myself. So the first item I'm gonna give you an update on is my MAC single eyeshadow in Dust Off. My goal is to hit pan in this, but I don't think that's going to happen. However, I have for the last month been using this as my highlighter. I've been saying for months and months and months how this would be a great highlighter because the shade is really pretty. So there it is there, and if we sheer it out, it's a really nice sort of highlighter. And I am wearing it today. It is my highlighter today, although so is the gleam might be from a little bit of sweat as well, you never know. You can definitely see some disturbance in the pan now from where I've been sticking my brush in, just around about the bottom here. I can see it, I don't know if you can. I will say that this is not the greatest highlighter product because it is a little bit dry formula. So it's not the greatest highlighter, but it's working for now and I'll continue to use it as my facial highlighter for the next month to see how much more progress we're going to get. I do not think I'm going to hit pan on this in this project, but I will continue to use it as a face highlighter for the next month and see how much progress we can get. As long as it looks used at least by the end of the project, I will be more than happy with that. So last month this weighed 12.70 grams and it now weighs 12.57 grams. So that's the biggest usage of the month since the start of the project, so I'm very happy with that. The next item, here's my Body Shop Body Butter in Vanilla Pumpkin. I don't have very much of this left. This is all I have. I could get this done if it could just stop being too hot, because a body butter is the last thing I want to be applying when it's very warm, because it's a body butter, it's a thick consistency. I want the light body yogurts that the Body Shop do in the summer months and the body butters in the winter months. But anyhow, this has gone from 12.70 grams to, no, not even. This has gone from 59.42 grams to 59.30 grams. I think I used a little bit on my arms one night, but then I quickly realized this is not what I want to be wearing or applying in these heated months, so I have not used it since. So there is that. The next item is my number 7 eye pencil in Gunmetal Grey. This is a gorgeous shade. I do have it on my eyes today. There it is for you. It is underneath this eye look. We have just about that much left. I really do wish I had marked this on my book, you know, for the height differences, but anyway, never mind. Last month this weighed 12.28 grams and it now weighs 12.19 grams. I have used this about 3 or 4 times, and I have sharpened it so it was more of a point so I could line my eyes. I used it as an eyeliner once or twice, so yeah, it has been sharpened because there is a little sharpener at the bottom here. So yeah, but the goal is to finish this up by the end of the project. Whether that will happen or not, I don't know, but this is definitely going to be an empty by the end of the year. I'm going to focus in on this. I swear, I keep saying it, but I will finish this year. This is my one makeup product that I'm determined to finish off this year. Not because I don't like it, because I absolutely love this product, but because it's one of my oldest, well, it's my oldest eyeshadow stick in my collection. It's a good 4 or 5 years old, maybe even older than that, to be honest. So I really do want to get it finished off because it is going on or around my eyes. So I do want to make sure that I get this finished soon. The next item I am wearing today is this beautiful inner eye colour, and that's my Barry M Glitter Dust. I don't know what the name is, but it's the number 26. And it's this beautiful mermaidy shade, and especially over the gunmetal grey, it kind of gives off like a peacocky blue kind of greeny colour. I love it, it's gorgeous. I've used this a couple of times. Last month it weighed 21.14 grams. It still weighs 21.14 grams, but that's because it's a very, very fine glitter dust, and you only need the smallest amount when you use it. But yeah, we're definitely getting some usage on it though. I definitely feel like this is not as full as it used to be, so I'm very, very happy with that. Without a project pan, I think I would rarely turn to my glitter dust, so I'm very grateful that I am using it. And the last product is my Revolution Skin Kiss bronzer, which actually isn't. It is a franken bronzer, and it currently looks like that. So the mermaid tail is getting smaller and thinner. She's a very, very thin mermaid tail now. I discovered that it's kind of in the shape of a mermaid tail on my last update. So I only recognised that when I was editing, so yeah. So last month this weighed 85.25 grams. It now weighs 84.89 grams. So yeah, I am using this as my bronzer today, but I also use it as the crease colour in my eye looks as well. So it's getting double usage as often as possible. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will also be finished by the finale. So that is it. That is my update for This Is Pantasy. My goals for next month is I want to see if I can get this finished. I think that next week it's starting to get cooler again, so I may be able to use it then. And I also want to see if I can finish off my bronzer as well, because I feel like if I can finish these two products by next month, that will leave me with the eyeshadow stick, the single eyeshadow, and the glitter dust from Barry M. And I feel like once we get to just these three products, I'm going to call this project quits, because I do feel like it is going to take me till the end of the year to finish this eyeshadow stick. I do feel like this is not going to get done in the few months that we have left in this project. I believe it ends in October. I feel like I could get my 22 uses on this. We are currently at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's not 22 uses, it's 10 uses. So I've got 6 uses so far. I could hit goal on this next month by using it 4 times in this month. So that would be that goal met as well. So we would really only be left with these 2 products. Yeah, I think next month, whatever happens, I'm going to call it my finale, because I feel like the products that I have got left are products that they're not going to be interesting to update, because I'm not going to hit pan on this. anytime soon, and I'm not going to finish this anytime soon. But I could hit 4 uses on this to hit goal. I could finish this product, and I could be, if not finished, at least really, really close on this product. So yeah, I think next month is going to be my finale. So we'll see how many of these products, the 5 products that are left, are going to get their goals met, and then we will call it quits. So yeah, that is the update for August. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!